You've seen the demand for faster, more accurate vulnerability assessments and human-led penetration tests. Security teams count on experts like you for answers, and they expect real results. That's exactly the reason why we created Pentest-Tools.com partner program. Hi, I'm Jan, channel account manager at Pentest-Tools.com, and this is a quick overview of our partner program. We're growing fast, and our products keep outperforming competitors and expectations. The global market is ready for more reliable results and accurate detection to guide rapid fixes. Now's the time to team up and help more customers secure what matters. In 2024, security professionals ran over 6.3 million scans with Pentest-Tools.com. They use these scans to find real vulnerabilities, validate risks with proof, and generate reports that win trust fast. MSPs say we replace entire stacks with one product that just works. Consultants call our POCs spot on and say we save them hours every week. That's one of the reasons Deloitte named us one of the fastest growing tech companies in EMEA. When you partner with us, you don't just resell a tool. You unlock a product built for impact. You offer customers a single expert-built product for network, web, API, and cloud assessments. You give them exploitability validation they can use immediately in human-led penetration tests. You streamline their stack and yours. Most of our partners are MSPs, security consultants, or software as a service vendors who focus on exposure and attack surface management, compliance, or penetration testing. They don't chase buzzwords. They lead with credibility, they follow up with clarity, and they grow because they solve real problems, not because they make big promises. If that sounds like you, we're ready to partner. We give you the materials, the models, and the team to help you win. You'll get volume-based pricing that grows with your clients, commissions on both upsells and renewals, co-marketing campaigns, launch kits, and live support from real people, not layers of approvals and chatbots. If you deliver real value and want a partner who does too, let's talk. Go to Pentest-Tools.com/partners and apply, or email us at partnerships@Pentest-Tools.com. Let's grow together and help more customers secure what matters.